Disgusting! Oh my god, it's repulsive. This really is unseemly. And for a woman in a beautiful skirt and a floppy tan leather hat or something, suede hat, I think. I don't even want to fly. This is too funny. Excuse me. I am going to have to remind all passengers to stay seated throughout the entirety of the flight. Please return your seats and tray tables to an upright position. Extinguish all smoking materials. And unplug all devices from the charging port in the seat in front of you. Yeah, we're not doing anything. I'm just looking back at... All right, I think Lil Melly's ready to go where she is, so off we go. Whoops. So let's go over the bridge. I guess that's where Lil Mel stays. Wherever Lil Mel wants. All right. All right, we're off. You made me love you, you bitch. I didn't want to do it and stuff. You made me love you. Give me what I cry for. You know you got the kind. You're interrupting the flight entertainment. You know you. God damn it. Don't make me come back there. If I have to turn this helicopter around. All right. Where was I? Give me what it cries for. You know, you've got the kind of kisses and shit that I die for. All right. Ooh. We are there. We are helicoptering our way across the bridge. Dave's not here, man. No. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Okay, so this is the San Francisco Bridge, and as you can see, it's loaded with San Franciscans. That's a good point. I could do something, Jesus Christ. This place is a bore. Let's go look at the little passengers in their car. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, it was a lot of turning, apologize. I know how to do this. Don't question my piloting skills. Oh, these morons. I gotcha. That's what she said. I don't know. Somebody wants her little package of peanuts. Listen, sister. Yeah, I could go for a Diet Coke and some pretzels. They have candy or like cookies all the time on my flights, but they don't have a non-sugary option. Right. Well, we did almost kill someone at work. I told you about that, right? They failed to market it anyway, and the gentleman had an allergy. Well, it did say Reese's cheesecake, so it didn't literally say the word peanut in it, but it was heavily implied, I felt, by the language. No, it was not, but the marker was faint on the glass door in front of the item. What? What? Listen, man. Don't do it. Don't twerk, man. Listen, this is a no twerking flight. There's no twerking. There's the city. There's the meatpacking district. Here comes your flight attendant. Hi, my name's Charlene. How can I serve you this evening? All right. I think we've had enough. Let's go back. What do you say? We'll go across the bay. Good Lord. What are you doing, sir? That is both illegal and immoral. Wait, hold on. I'm coming to take a look. So, okay, you stay there. I'm coming to look at you. I'm giving you medical assistance. Wait. Oh my God, what are you doing? This is not good. Oh, damn it. Oh, I hope we don't crash. You don't want to see. Good thing for you, it's a good thing for you, I've been recording the whole flight. Good thing for you, I've been recording the whole flight, so I've got whatever it is you're doing on film. Yes. Well, it's hard to really describe what's happening, but it is certainly something, sir. You are making a spectacle of yourself. Oh, God. That is definitely unusual. That is not unusual at all. What happens if I press this button? Boing. Oh, that worked. So now I should be able to, if Carl's there, I can come over here and potch him on the tuchus. Oh, no. Get back in, sir. You've got to get your butt back. This is, oh no. What are we seeing here? Carl. Oh my God. Hi. Yes, sir. You enjoying your flight? I believe that the air marshal has been alerted and is en route to our location. God damn it. Nice. Moonstruck. All right. Pilot's back in the... Oh, honey, you're always in San Francisco. What is that over there, though? That looks like is that just an anomaly? Because it looks like a different part of the house that we didn't see before. Oh, no, it resolved. Damn it. No, it was just a weird thing around a tree. All right, I'm going to come right in on the helipad. We hardly knew you. Well, as I was saying, good thing for Carl, I've recorded this entire flight and still am, so I'll post this on YouTube in a bit and we can all enjoy whatever the fuck Carl is doing. I can't move. My body is trapped. Okay, that's inappropriate. I hope you remember my address, Sharon, because you're going to have to call 911 in Anchorage and send an ambulance here for a stroke. Oh, there he goes. Oh, all right. Press on your left controller, the button that's closest to you, not the soft key. Press that one, and that ejects you from the seat. Yep. Oh, all right. I'm going to shut off the recording. That was far too good. I am so pleased that I thought